Oh, hello. I'm just going to do a quick audio test, guys. Bear with me. Okay, I think we're clear. I think we've got the levels just right here, dudes. So welcome. I'm sorry, I haven't streamed in a few days. I've had a few things going on. Yeah, maybe I'll talk about it throughout the stream, but yeah, not far off till Christmas. Let's keep it happy. Let's keep it light, eh? How are we all doing today? I'm just gonna I come back. Lovely. Okay, so let's just minimize that way home. Okay, so we are currently streaming to TikTok, Kick, YouTube, Instagram, and oh yeah, Twitch as well. So hello one and all. I just noticed actually on Instagram we are not oriented correctly, so let me oh, that's a shame. I wonder, can I change that on the fly? Some worry. Studio might have disabled secondary thing. Okay, no props. Let's just carry on regardless. If you want that full stream, guys, just I'm gonna move this little badge just to here. Okay, just so you can. Anyone who's on TikTok or Instagram can actually tune in and see. Sorry about that, I'll get that right for next time. I haven't actually streamed to Instagram for the last kind of week or so, just because the setting the stream up is always a bit of a pain in the ass. Yeah, let's can we centralize this? Is that a thing to like do? Oh yeah, it can. It's a bit of a thingy in the middle here. Great. Okay, there we go. Perfection. Wonderful. Okay, so let's go. So today I've got a bit of TypeScript plan. Blender as well. So what I need to do, and we're still loading this, and again I haven't really felt much like doing anything in the last couple of days, guys, so I make see, no apologies for that, but hopefully back and rolling there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this a sec because I want to actually open up a different project here. So if I just get rid of this, yeah, and what we're going to say is we're going to open up a different project. Sorry, that was from a completely different place. I was doing some bot programming. If anyone does want to see my experimentation with the bots so far, check out the White Lotus. Nothing to write home about, they're just doing random waypoints. Honestly, I spent about 45 minutes on the bots. Like, if you want to see some revolution crap going on with the bots, stay close. But wait, I need to get the Lotus launched first before I can spend hours on the bots. But once I do, yeah, stay tuned. It's going to be getting very, very exciting. They dropped for me at just the wrong moment. I didn't think we were expecting bots till next year, to be honest. But no, I suppose it makes sense that they brought them out now because it gets everyone into the whole, how to instantiate, waypoint, customize. That's fine. And then all the other advanced stuff like the speech to text, text to speech, all stuff presumably is going to come next year when they can open the AI bits in the UK properly. Because at the moment, you'll notice if you're a European user of this system, you're not quite getting the lot of the AI stuff at the moment. That's gonna change. Stay close. And so I'm just gonna minimize this window a sec. There you go, it's meant to see who's on the different networks. Hi Liam, how you doing? Okay, so notify player joined. So I want to open an external editor. We're just gonna hit that. And that'll actually open up our... Most people, I'm sure, are winding down for Christmas. I'm quite the opposite. I find that Christmas is when I wind up. But I'm gonna get the Lotus ready for Christmas. I anticipate, and I anticipate it's gonna be a lot of new use coming out of the system at Christmas. So I think if you're working on any kind of social place or in game, aim to get it done a little bit before. Because at the moment, Horizons feels very empty. I don't know if anyone else is sharing that feeling, but there's definitely I guess people are just busy in life at the moment. That's to be expected pre-Christmas. Every time I come on in the evening, sit in the UK time, there's not many people on Horizons. So yeah. I think that's a dip like we had last year, and I'm fully expecting that to go quite the opposite way in the next couple of weeks. Yeah, I get it. People get busy Christmas preparations. Like not me. Me and Christmas. It's not that we don't get along. I just don't. I enjoy Christmas from the perspective I get to see some family and friends and stuff around that time. But in terms of actually celebrating Christmas, I'm not miserable. I just I know. It's, it is what it is. It is what it is. Right. Okay, so we had an entrance sample. I don't think I actually rigged this up to anything. So you'll notice, sorry, we'll just get on with it. You'll notice that within here there's, if I go into, nothing you see in here is particularly final, to be honest, actually, just a quick proviso. So this world is going to be launched half finished. Normally I release it 60 to 70% done. This is going to be probably fully at 50, just because I mean, mistake, I grossly underestimated, well, calamity. When MHCP came through for me, I found myself locked out of my account for 2.5 weeks, which, don't get me wrong, I'm over, but at the same time, I'm also on a 2.5 week backlog now, which, don't get me wrong, some good things did come out of that, like we now have the White Lotus and Banter. It did jump that project to the top of my priorities, which is amazing. So yeah, we're going to be spending a bit of time over there as well while Horizons is quiet. But I make no... You've heard me have this rant before. I love Banter. I think Banter's great. The community over there is great. The building tools are great. The platform itself is like... It's going to get incredible. Keep an eye on that when it's still... Think of it as being sort of in its first year, even though it's technically a bit older than that. It's probably in its second year. It's the fairest evaluation I can give there. It's moving so fast. Okay. Anyway, enough about that. Let's push on. Anyone out there, by the way, please feel free to say hello. I am watching pretty much all the chats except for X.com. I never watch that one because it's not normal to get sort of viewers on there, I suppose. That said, I mean, to be honest, I've had my rants about Twitch before. I think my advice to anyone who wants to start streaming, do not bother with Twitch. Just don't bother with Twitch. And the reason I say that with some authorities, I've been doing it for 6 months. I'm now up to 60 viewers, which, don't get me wrong, right? You got to consider by contrast that on YouTube, I'm at something like 32,000. So there's something up with Twitch. Twitch is not good. Hi, Trey. Twitch is not good for new people. Twitch is very much about the viewer and shoveling them to people who already have millions of followers. Twitch is not friendly to new people. So do not start your streaming career on Twitch until Twitch change the algorithm that starts promoting people who don't already have 1 million followers, right? Just gently. There's absolutely no point starting any streaming career on Twitch. I look at the other Horizon streamers on there as well. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing for Twitch. These people are not getting more than like about sort of two viewers after their actual streams. It's an absolute pile of, But yeah, what I'm going to say constructively is that if you do want to start as a streamer, head for YouTube and possibly also, which one works well? Instagram works well. Instagram works well because you've probably already done a lot of Horizon specific streamers on there. And that would be a good one to hit. TikTok also. TikTok is a good one. There's a lot of the TikTok algorithm is far more friendly to... There's a slight kink with TikTok. You've got to get up to 1,000 followers first before it'll let you stream. That's the only kink with TikTok. But I would say that once you... There are ways to do that. There are ways to do that. It involves engaging with people and sadly also looking at those things where people launch those big campaigns where they say, hey, leave a comment in here and everyone who reads it follow you, and you've got to follow them back and blah, 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 blah. You do end up following far more people than follow you, but it does work quite well to bring your follower count up a little bit, and that seems to be the done thing on TikTok. But once you get past 1,000, I wouldn't say that it explodes. Thank you very much for the ice cream. Please, ice cream. Just feel like that. Yeah, I'd say it doesn't really explode once you reach 1,000. I think that doing sort of VTuber type streams on TikTok are not very popular. I think most of the people who use TikTok don't know what the hell that is. They get confused by it. Judging by some of the comments I get on TikTok, I think that it's, you know, very rarely you come across people who really understand what's going on here. But I think most people just want to see boobs, and that's fine. Hey Beatrice, what are you doing? Yeah. But I think so far, YouTube's been the good one. YouTube's been the one that has really, you know, played it well in terms of like, you know, hey, you're new, let's actually throw some viewers your way. Whereas like Twitch is just like, no, tell you what, we're going to show you 1,000 people who play Fortnite. Fuck off. It's not that I don't like Fortnite, it's just chase the goddamn tune. I just think that the algorithms that show you what's already popular aren't useful. They aren't useful in discovery of new users. So, yeah. Anyway, it's just my soapbox. Hi Walker, how you doing? But yeah, so YouTube and TikTok are the two to go for. Kick, I'm still on the fence about. I've heard good things about Kick. But to be honest, it feels just like it's doing it the same way that Twitch does. But we'll see. Jury's still out on that one. Cool. Alright. Thank you for the gifts. Christ, that's 7 roses tree. I don't even know what that means. No gurus. I don't know what these gifts are or what the hell. Just very good. Ignore me. Also, Trey, do you know who's behind the Horizon Memes account on Instagram, mate? Because I swear to God, it is funny. It's so good. It's putting out some really wholesome Horizon-specific memes on there, and I'm loving every second of it so far. The snap. Yeah, sorry if the portrait mode is messed up. I am also broadcasting in landscape, but I don't know if that's coming through on TikTok or Instagram. Okay, so without any further ado, sorry, let's get busy. This is going to be a fairly short stream today. Just it's my first one in a few days, but yeah, just trying to settle back in, like to sort of find my focus and just go with it. So if I just do open an external editor here, I can't remember if I did that or not. Let's jump to the external editor. So here we go, and if I just jump into here, are we in the right thing? We are. So we've got our extended audio trigger. That's how you do an extended audio trigger, if anyone was curious. I'm just going to make sure I'm positioned right, actually, so I don't want to be standing in the way of all this. No, should be okay. Should be okay. I'm sort of not actually standing over the code, which is the focus right now. That's good. Cool. Thank you a sec. Oops. But we're right. I can't actually see how many people are watching on every channel. Oh, are we seen there? Wow, right, okay, good. Damn, see, I knew you'd know. That's cool. I just like the way it doesn't attack people. I like the way it's just super wholesome. Every time I sort of see these threads that like attack people, they just kind of, yeah, so walk away. It's not good. I'm not a fan of that. But when it's people just having a bit of fun, I like that. That's good times. Food. Oh, a can of Pepsi Max. D my Pepsi Max. Okay, so that's the extend audio trigger, but I need to adapt this, okay? No, the question is, yeah, I need to adapt this. This needs to be reading player values, and I think I have a grading system in the Lotus whereby I have different variables. One of those variables will say like, hey, if you get up on a stage, are you actually a performer? Because if you're not, you may want to sit back down, buddy. Because we tend to get people coming in shouting all kinds of like racist nonsense or being belligerent, drunk, whatever. Coming in and just shouting stuff over the extended performance areas. So we had to bring in some kind of control for that. So the thing they'll need to yeah, okay, so on player enter trigger, we're gonna say, just flick my visor a sec, because even though I can touch type normally, but coding is a bit more than touch typing, because you've got all these sort of symbols, and on top of that, I want a whole new keyboard layout, because I bought a Bluetooth keyboard in the Black Friday sales, which is really nice, only a cheap one, it was like $30 or something, but it's a full layout one, which for using Blender comes with like the number pad and all the insert home page up, page down as separate keys. Very useful to me. Very useful to me. So, wow, yeah, cool. Bloody hell, Trey, calm down, mate. I don't even know what those roses means. Hi, testing test. How you doing? Okay. I suppose you know what they mean. Seriously, what do they mean? Okay, so we're gonna say if. And I can't remember what the hell this was now. I'm gonna have to put some documentation pages because I suppose screwed. I just can't remember. Oh, wait a sec. I do. Valves. No, I did do some reading on this actually. So the spatial custom UI I've got over here does actually get player level. This I did write a thing, so I'm gonna. I could do this as a module, guys, and in time I probably will. And modules are interesting in sort of coding because when you define a module, it can have common functions in it. Very, very useful. But I don't need one just yet. I may come back and consolidate in time. I think problem is my brain tends to try and overcomplicate things and over-organize things, which is why I just give up and don't. So, right, get player level. And I'm sorry if anyone's looking at this in portrait. It's not great in portrait because it's cropping off the left and the right sides. But you can tune into sort of YouTube or TikTok. I think TikTok offers a horizontal layer if that works better. So they gifts, I think it's okay, cool, thank you. So get player level is the one that I'm after. So let's just check where am I? Extended audio trigger. So I'm just gonna leave this in here as a sort of I say that. Did I actually do that just then? Sorry, 2 seconds. Oh no, I just pasted in the same class. Let's take that out a sec. Sorry, I'm being such a dumbass. So if we go into here, we've got into here we're gonna say S. I need to just do these. Sure, like that, okay? Oh, my brain's really not plugged in. And if get play, so I'm making use of the clipboard because I just can't be bothered. I'm gonna change this entered by variable to just play it because it's less characters to type player every time. I thought I was being clever. I wasn't being clever. This is being clever. It's changing back to the word player. So if get player level for the player is greater than or equal to, and needs to bring up a reference here, but I know 10 is verified, 20 is trusted, I think 30 is DJ bot for my sake. if the player level is greater than 30. That is, what is that doing? Oh, it needs to be this because it's a private method. So if this .get player level is greater than 30, then we set that to extended. This just stops any old person from running up into DJ bots and get it amplified. It's just a little thing. It's not like meant to be ultra secure. It's just prevents a bit of silliness. Wonderful. Cool. Now, do I need to wrap that nearby thing there? Puma. Yo. I mean, yeah, I'm going to leave that in Mavis. I'm not going to use this full argument in my head as to why I'm doing that, but there is a good reason, right? There is a good reason. Cool. Alright. So, global user access level. So, I kind of want to test this now, guys. So, I'm going to flick into here, and I'm going to hit this button, right? Hit this button. So, look. Oh my god, I'm in here. Whoa. So, if I just, run around, what happens? Oh, of course, that was never going to work. Because I don't actually have extended audio levels in there. I've just come out of there a sec. So I need to... I do have one here, however. And that is actually the right one. That's just behind the bar. So if I run in here, so using the desktop editor to place these things is nightmarish. It's not great. Yeah. Cool. Let's just jump in and preview again, eh? Oh, turn. Okay, so if I jump over here, I can't tell if that worked or not. That said, actually, the console might help me out because it says I'm over 100 is an access level. Let me just clear that so I know it's not lying to me. And also I'm gonna say like, can I throw in topics in TypeScript? So like, player dot. Is it? Oh, throw held item. That's fun. Attempts to throw the item held in the specified hand. That's cool. Oh my god. Oh, I can do some things with that. Okay. Actually, I do something else here. Actually, no. Let's see if that's greater than 0. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I'm greater than or equal to 0, actually. I have a rationale in my head. Oh shit, no, I don't want to do that. My bad. Okay, else? And we're going to set them to, I think is it mute? Yeah. So basically, if anyone runs into here, they don't have, they don't have a, adequate level to be able to use extended, audio zones, then we just mute them. Oh man, that's actually a lifesaver, Dance, because, hi Mercy Hayden! Because what'll happen is, like, when you've got performers in, people will run in, they'll run up to the stage, and they'll just, like, try and interrupt the song, or try and, like, sing on stage, like, you know, you do get it. I've observed this over 9 months, and it's, there's always one. It's always one. So what you do is you just meet them, automatically, so as soon as they actually try and get up on stage, they go, let's just mute it. And they can be having a whale of a time, right? But no one gives a shit. Yes, they're muted, no one can hear them, and they don't realise. So they just carry on thinking they're being so funny, and everyone's laughing at them. It's yeah, good stuff. Good fun. So, I really want to do like a little console.log thing here. Just to confirm, okay. And say like extended. I can't spell, but it doesn't matter, that's not a permanent line of code. That, however, can't be there. Extend it. Right, it's become back to here. Let's just let that recompile a sec, and then we're just gonna fly in here. Okay, so I'm a level 100, and I'm gonna run around this bar, okay? Into here. Did you? Yeah, okay, so I can tell from the console that log down the bottom, I don't know if you can see that on the screen, but it definitely did pop up and say extended, so we know that that's actually hitting the right block of code, even though hi, like this one is a trigger script, yes. Yeah. And the full show's on YouTube, by the way, where it's not sort of cut up on the left or the right. I screwed the layer up when I launched it, because I haven't streamed to Instagram in so long because I just couldn't be bothered, but I could because I turned off the portrait layout, it's reoriented around the right way, which is not what I wanted, but it's too late. I don't want to start the stream again. Streaming is such a pig to go to Instagram, but you have to keep jumping back and forth, exchanging stream keys, and like Jerry can't be bothered, but I thought let's do a special one today, and then we'll go back to just doing YouTube and Twitch, Kick, TikTok after that. Yeah, so that I think is working, because it's certainly hitting that branch of code, and of course, I'm going to have to run through and test the whole thing when we actually get closer to launch. So that's the extended audio trigger that's hooked into the usual sort of Lotus security levels. So it's a bit more than just an extended audio script, but that'll do the job quite nicely. So on to the next thing, move like we know we've done that. That's confirmed. Let's quickly flash that. I'm not working on that today. Notice 5 player joined. I am going to put something in the... Actually, no. Don't need to do that, because the console.log will verify for me whether or not that worked. I just need to hook it up with a sound, which I'm not going to worry about today, because that involves sourcing sounds. Oh, hang on. I've got to... Oh, sorry about any stuff. I'm send an incoming call over thingy. I am. Sorry. There with me. Yeah, let's put a message back. Oh, damn. Damn. Oh, okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. Sorry about that. Cool. Hi, Jess, and hello, Manuel. How you doing? So this I need to redo in that. Unfortunately, I haven't designed this very well. What I've done is I've done it in several collections. I've got collidables and non-collidables for the majority of it. And that... Yeah, I'm probably going to have to start separating the things out to separate imports, because I found that while it works... Yeah, I'm not a fan of it. But I'm getting more and more familiar with this stuff, so... we will get there, chaps, we will get there, but I need to hook this up to some kind of thing, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just come out of this structure, I'm going to plop in an empty object. That's interesting. Do I want an empty object? I don't know. So let's go into shapes. And in here, you'll notice there's something they've popped in on this called a script holder. Okay, so I'm going to pop that in here. And because I'm using desktop tools, there's even less excuse not to name things. So I'm going to call this player joined. Okay, and that allows me then to set to invisible. It's a bit dodgy, but okay, we'll do anyway. Usually you see cubes with these, but of course that's 12 triangles, that's a lot. If we set to not visible, not collidable, doesn't reflect light, then that just means it takes up like no resources other than, well, just existing. Good. Okay, so... Oh dear. Hi Sam, how you doing? Oh, thank you for the follow, Batanzenko. It's fact, can't pronounce that, but that is a cool name. So, navigation, inclusion base. No need for that. And the script, attached script is going to be, well, it's player joined, isn't it? So notify player joined. Boop. There you go. So, if I just run this a sec, I should see if I clear the console. Get a nice little 3-eyed tiger joint. Was an error handling event? Notified player joined. That's interesting. Test spatial UI is also open now. So, I really want to crack on with the custom UI stuff. This is going well and doing very, very simple things at the moment, guys. Hi Nick, how you doing? And CA Stark, how we doing? But what I really need to do is work on these custom UI elements. So at the moment, there's like nothing exciting going on there. And that's just a tutorial snap. So if I just come out of here a sec, what I do need to do is work my way down to here. And if I just sort of plonk here and press play, we should actually see that just start to appear. So if I go into the script editor, we're going to go across to, I think it's Test Spatial Custom UI, which is, I'm not sure what this is going to be. This is going to be probably the admin tool. Good to see it, Sam. Good. You had a good day, yeah? You looking forward to the weekend? So, this is the player list. Now, I am actually getting the list of players out, but it's not populating. I am trying to use bound values. I have followed the guidance on this. With one slight wrinkle is that the player name stream is the bound thing. Oh, is that the problem? Is that the problem, guys? So now, like, I'm gonna just highlight this. Where am I using this? Wicked. So I've got a text object here, which is player name string. But I've got nothing in there indicating this is the bound thing. Let me just pull up in the documentation. I swear I need to just take a local copy of it, because every time I go across the meta site, I keep having to log in, and it takes me about 5 clicks to get there. My attention span doesn't last that long. What is home sports? Launching today, Alex, cool. Okay, think. So, Horizon... Sitting there? Developers, that's the way. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Hi, Heather. How you doing? What it means. Okay, so if I just find my way into here. Sorry, anyone on Twitch, I'm not currently reading the chat, but say hello and I will flick back. I'm using that as a sort of documentation window as well. So under share, well, I have to log in, yeah, of course. Wow, I think I even do that tonight. I'm gonna take out snippets of stuff that's being added to this documentation and just like store it somewhere, just because every time I go to it, I've got to log in and take about 5 different pages to get there. So what I wanted to do is, and oh, sorry, my arm's just randomly sticking out. It's crazy. We are going to jump into bind. Oh, it's fine. Okay. So custom UI. I should probably check and see if Vidju's done anything on bound values in the custom UI actually, and I'm sure he has. Custom UI examples, here we go. Scrollable UI setup, text and fonts, combo view, light the sphere, persistent variables, JSON as data source for custom UIs. That's tempting. That's tempting. Come out there. Generic yes, no dialogue. Okay. So we've got... Oh, what? Come on, you can't. Oh. as it goes. 5, okay. They go stop the stream at, oh, thank you for the like, Sam. I think I'll stop the stream at 6, like it's been another 45 minutes. Do you know what? I'm going to mute the microphone a sec because I'm going to lower the table and sit down. My legs are starting to ache. I've been sit forever. Me, I'm here back, hang on. Okay, there we go. I'm actually sat down now. That's nice. So, might even in the right section. From not need a. Oh, it's history. Here, okay. There we go. So building dynamic custom UI. Do I can't just quit binding up into shore rendering. You guys still with me? Suspension for cool. Right, that's the one. So it's all within here. I'm gonna have to say. See if it works. Mu capital B finding. Ooh. It's true. Oh no. They stop player. String. Okay, let's see. So that's not for any errors, that's finding this player mem string to this variable. And now if I jump into the actual preview, let's just hit this sec. So let's check if this worked. As me, come on, cool at the wind. That hasn't worked. Okay, it's fine. So Emma's here, and to be honest, it doesn't make sense in my head because I don't know how a binding would know. Like, because the changes are not happening internally. Like, I hate these perfect world examples are great, but they don't really show any sort of weirdnesses. Oh, look at that. Lens and maintaining 2 Boolean binds and having 2 UI notes expressions we could simply have. Yes, right, so this actually set visibility for players. Visibility 2, okay. Deriving binding values. Well, yeah, it's not useful. The demos that they're giving me are just showing me how to bind to simple values which don't change outside of that scope, which is not useful. Bind that to something which does. Like, you know, when a player actually enters the room, how is that useful to me? Because player enters room is outside of that function. Oh wait, it is possible to put other stuff inside the function. Like emitting events, but keep in mind they should be lightweight. They do not block the binding update. Okay, it's fine. The new value we're binding is compared to the previous value. Yeah, it's not useful connecting to events. How about when events want to connect into it? No get methods of binding. Yeah. Again, binding number. Some binding set. Okay, binding has clicked is update. UI will not re-render. Will not expose the public get method to prevent this scenario. If we need to get the value of a binding because we need to use it in multiple styles, like in our example, we should use derived bindings. If we need to get the value of a binding because we need to set a new value, we should use derived bindings. If we need to get the value of a binding because we need to set a new value based on the old value, we should use functional updates. It's a rare case we want to keep track of the value of the binding for some other uses. So it doesn't answer my question now. It is an answer my question. I want to know. I want to know when an external event fires, how we get to update the binding from outside. That's the golden ticket. No. Cool. No. Okay. This will make sense, guys. I've just got to stare at it some more. Hi, Kit for King 123. How you doing? Hi, Jackie. Oh, wait a sec. Oh, okay. This connect code block event might be what I'm after. Okay. This connect code block event this code block events dot on player joint play enter world maybe. Wow. How we need to player, okay? How is that specified? Ah, okay. Okay. Oh wow, this is going to be out of hand, but okay, let's do it. So seems like I'm about to shove a bit too much in here, but thinking. Okay, on player enter world. Let's just grab this. Oh shoot. Let's give it a go. Oh, can that just... No. No, it's got to operate on... Yes, it could be a callback, I guess. Dynamics here. Cool. Hey, Wesley! This is not Python kit now. This is TypeScript. So that index. Now, do I need to specify this? Like so. Oh, didn't you quite like that? But that's interesting. So, what's it saying? This is not assignable to type of parameter player. Well, I don't care. Maybe this dot entity? Oh yeah, okay, it likes that. That's yeah. Cool. It's not fouling me up here, so it's enjoying that. That's cool. Hey, Nosy. So refresh player list. Oh Christ, that's a whole load of stuff. Oh, see, this is getting a bit too unwieldy. This is probably not the best way to do this, guys. I bet you're right. So... I'm not liking the look of this. Let's, does it actually do anything with the binding? Booklet, basically, binding derived. No, I mean, that should be okay. I'm not sure about this. I'm going to start ramming X and crap, so if I just go up here, I'm sure. I mean, the place thing is right. So if I take that out, it shouldn't recognise the thread play string, right? I start not worrying. Just again, what's up? Hey, yo. It's just being argumentative. Great, okay. Well, I understand. And seeing view problem and click sex. Well, show me the fix, not trying to tell what the problem is. Okay, we're converting this to a let. That makes sense. Does that? Well, here, and you can't say it's going to fix it and then just show you an error. What are you? Right. You need to update. It said you couldn't do that. Like, you moron, shall you know this? Hi, Chef Depp, you're right, and hey, Toey. Yeah, no, it quite explicitly says, we will not give you a set, so I don't know why this thinks... Oh no, shit, there is a set. There's no get. I understand. Okay, we'll accept that. So with that string then rammed out, I need to also kind of protect this crap as well. So let's get rid of this. Comment, block comment, toggle block comment. Jesus Christ, that's one crazy shortcut. Shift Alt, is that Shift Alt A? Okay, that's not too bad, but it's still crazy. That used to be, Control Shift and S, I think, in Visual Studio. They've like, it's just gone full hog on that and gone like, well, I know it would make sense, let's do something else. So, what does it say? Control Alt and A? No. Shift Alt and A? Yes! I'm never gonna remember that. Hey Green, how you doing? Hi Oscar, how you doing, buddy? Yeah, I'm doing well. I'm just calmly trying to piece this together. Right, so let's just get rid of this one as well. And Control Shift and A. Now. Shift Alt and A. Hell, man. Stop it. Shift Alt and A. Cool. Okay. Oh. Actually, nothing for it. Let's just see if that works. It won't, but let's see anyway. We got the players list. I'm okay with that happening. That makes sense. That does need to be persisted. So if we go in here. And how do I get this to restart, hey? Let's just hit the restart button, I guess. And then we just run this. And hopefully there's no errors, huh? Let's find it. Yeah. And there we have it, guys. We've solved it. We solved the case. We now have the starting of a user list. We have the starting of a user list, which is wonderful because I want to now turn these into buttons. Yeah. Good. That's taken. It's taken a few minutes to swap that out. But I need to understand the formatting a bit better. So here's a good point now to. I want to have a use list, but that use list must be encapsulated inside some kind of control. Okay. So, I guess this is where the derived thing's going to come into it. Maybe. I mean, it's not currently clickable, which is fine. So, for user administration, the idea is you have a user list on the left, and then you have a list of actions on the right. And whether or not I support multi-select, and this I probably will, to be honest. I think that the hidden admin panel in Lotus is currently the only admin panel in Horizons that supports multi-selection of users. So if you get a bunch of people committing, you can make them go out really, really fast. Just a bit, they select like 5, 6, 10 of them, off they go. Push all at the same time. Bit less cumbersome than having to navigate your menus quickly. But yeah, unfortunately, you'll never see it because I do believe that admin panels need to be discreet and invisible, so the only people will ever see them are admins. Okay, just go check my phone. It's buzzing quite a lot. Yeah. What's this? Ah, that's nice. Oh no. What? World contains features that aren't yet available to all ages and regions. What? Oh, no. Oh dear God. That's not good. That's done behind. Okay, sorry, I was just reading some messages. Wonderful. Sorry, Twitch. I'm not ignoring you. And hello, by the way. I need to redo my Twitch page. I think I've got one too many sort of slightly sexy pictures on it. I think it's putting people off with those. I'll just remove them. We're not about that. Maybe. It's me to I don't know. I know what I'm doing. Okay, so what I need to do now is dynamically build this up. So you can see here is this. We're in the right section. Oh no. So under scrollable UI, that's kind of cool. Oh, text commands. It was dynamic, I think it was. And persistent variables is fun. I'll make sure that only people who can have certain levels can do certain things, like we've got on the current admin panel, to be honest. Hi, Lulu. Lulu, I'm seeing the messages from Tom in the other chat without sort of saying out loud what they are. That's bad. What the hell? How are you doing anyway? You okay? Set up generic yes, no dialogue. Light the sphere. Column view. Oh, column view. Yes. Hang on. Column view. What is the idea behind a column view? No. Well, it doesn't really flex direction. Oh. Okay. Nested column. Perfection. Do you know what? I said before, like, that Hybrid Savage, the view engine in this, the view template engine looks a lot like, what reminds me a lot of Flutter. I don't know if any of you have used Flutter, but it's the it's Google's Dart-based multi-platform user interface framework. Sorry, that took way too long to say. But it follows a very, very similar Duda. So, where in Dart is like TypeScript, right? So Dart and TypeScript, they're kind of like brothers from different mothers, and I say that lovingly. Dart is made by Google. TypeScript is made by Microsoft. They are both supersets of JavaScript that were created to, among other things, introduce type safety, so strong typing. And also try to create a generator that turns well-formed code that can be written in sort of like more OO styles into performant JavaScript that in theory should, through their conversors and patterns of conventions, run more effectively and more efficiently than just generally writing JavaScript that's readable. So what it actually outputs and runs is less readable. Probably fail a code review, but it doesn't matter. It's more optimized because what you're actually writing is TypeScript, which is, you can make that look as neat as you want. It's the converter that optimizes it. So they call that process trans compilation, if anyone's interested, because it's not true compilation, because JavaScript isn't really compiled. But I think I believe it runs through an interpreter to run on a compiler. So yeah, trans compilation's a bit of a sort of a some keyword, because there's no actual real compilation. It just translates it into JavaScript. Might start doing book readings on these streams. Anyone interested in that? Just a random question, I know, but oh, and a message from Dragoness. me. Very cool. I like Dragoness. She's making me a custom name tag over in Banter. It's got my logo in it. She's made out of, ASCII, I believe. So clever. I love that. Sent me a quick screenshot of it earlier today and I said, wow, that's cool. Right. So now I need to work out, guys, how the... Well, I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna find this, I think, with... I'll put it in spray something. So see, const user list. Okay. This is not the Keymets way of doing this. I should probably do it as a function. Use a list view. And that's actually going to be this whole view here. And there's a reason I'm breaking this up, guys. What the hell I didn't do there? So if I just plonk this up here, okay? I'm gonna say... Use the list views here. Yeah, great. I think that's well. Does that work? Let's find out. Right, didn't seem to have broken it. Throw any visible errors as far as I can see, which is nice. Oh look, it has appeared to have fucked this up. Oh no, it's because I haven't actually come in, I'm sorry. If my timing's incorrect. I think I need to hit stop. Yeah, it's going to do things so slowly when you're learning, because you run too many steps ahead. You just end up sort of like, no idea what you've actually done. Okay, well, that's crashed. What the heck? Okay, got a quarter of an hour left of this live stream, then I'm gonna get off and make some food and concentrate. Maybe have myself an Irish coffee, guys. No? I'll just move myself over just a little bit because I'm very conscious that on solid TikTok and that you probably can't actually see me. Need to go over here a sec, so. Oh, there we go. Cool. It's just wonderful. Perfect. Voila! Okay, sorry, I'm stood like down in the middle now, but this makes more sense for the TikTok and Instagram crowd. Because I haven't flipped the thingamajig. Okay, so I'm not sure if that failed, guys, but if I just jump back in, not there. Jump back in here. Similar, like, is it showing the arrows against it? It's been very, very slow. I don't like that. To come out a million times, because that's gonna help. Okay. Look it, this isn't working at all. Hi there, Oren. Hey, Jed. Damn it, man. It's indicating all of the wrong things. Is that why the seat becomes so non-responsive? Let me just... Oh, right, okay. That one idiot. I just need to press escape. Sorry, my workshop's not quite there yet in terms of understanding what the hell I'm doing. Press play and then jump in here and see what happens. Has that actually broken it? Am I now not seeing my name on the board? Nope, it hasn't broken it. That's fine. That was a false alarm. fossil which means the split up I did here was good. So what I now need to do is come up with a similar thing. Actually, this is really, really dirty here. Yeah. And this is going to be a different const, which is going to be called like actions list. And I should probably do these as separate functions, okay, to split that up, and I'll come back to that. But please do bear in mind I'm still learning all this, and I'm a bit crap at the moment, so we will get there. We'll get there. I'm not at sort of the level where other people who are doing the actual, tutorials are. I'm still finding things out myself. But, we're making progress, that's the main thing. I'm going to take out this cursor thing, so I'm just going to say, like, user list. Users. Just there. And the next one's going to be called. This looks pretty extensible, to be fair. Oh, yeah, I wonder when Ray Key's coming back. I think he's supposed to be coming back on the... Hi, Lynch, or Mr. Lynch, how you doing? I think Ray's supposed to be back on the 15th. Look forward to him going back. Should be amazing. Let's just jump into... Actually, that's not going to work yet. So I need to jump over to here. And then there is a view nested column. It's view nested column. There should be flex column. View simple, view simple. View nested row maybe? Let's try it. So if I just go down a lot more to maybe here. We're going to say const view rows. Is it rows? View columns. See, it's not really columns that I want, I don't think, but we're going to try it. It just doesn't seem to be what I'm after, because this defines one column, right? And I'm actually after columns. You're after multiple columns. So, I mean, we can try pissing about with it and see what happens. Yeah, let's give that a go. Let's give it a go. So if we always go forward one, then we're going to say it's column view. So text flex column view simple. It's not really. There we go. Styles are what I'm after. So if I see, and hey Mark, how you doing, mate? You right? Is equal to, and then we say, oh no, why did that feel so hard? Let's do the back. Let's do the back. That's it. Okay, so flex direction, was he row? Do it say column? Or no, it's okay, it's a row. Oh, what color? Pink? Hells now. Okay, we'll come back to that. So children, the first child I want is going to be called user list view. Next one's going to be called, although I could probably give us a better name, it's going to be action list view. Actions list view. But technically they're user list actions, so I could call them user actions. But there we go, we don't have that. It's complaining because I've got no comma just there. And then what we do is we bind the view columns into here. So what we're actually doing is we're returning a sort of a container class that contains two items and its children, which has a flex direction of row. So should we see if that worked? Fingers crossed for me guys, probably didn't, but if you expect failure and you'll never be disappointed. Well, no one gets disappointed by success, of course. So, yes, that's what you're hoping for, right? So if I just run that, so I can see it's definitely done something. We've got ourselves a pinky thing, but it's not doing what I was hoping it would do. So it's actually given us the so my one thing is called users and my other one's called actions. And I can see here like that's not gone the way that I wanted. Cool. Cloud view. What's a combo view? That sounds kind of fun. Flex direction is not specified. Is that a station combo view? Oh, here we go. Flex column, flex column, flex row, flex row. Shit. Please tell me how that was done. I don't want to have to go off to an actual world in Horizon Worlds to learn that. I'd rather it just be in front of me. Nightmare. Hi, hello. No. Well, 8 minutes left, guys. We'll call it okay. Station 6B. I don't. What have we got? Building dynamic, easy to find components, placed to a custom UI component class, animation is there anything to do with custom UI PAL configurations? I mean, shit. That's more to do with the, thingy. I don't want that. Okay. Oh, this is so slow. I want this thing to just stay out. I don't want to have to expand. Is that because my window layout's too small or something? I don't understand. Needs straight expanding that. Oh yeah, it was. It actually was, guys. Okay, that's better. I didn't have to keep doing that all the time. It's going to speed me up. So every time I opened up my navigation menu, I had to reopen the sidebar, research for where I was, and then... Yeah, it was a pain in the ass. Local mode, custom UI, building interactive custom UI. Let's keep building dynamic custom UI. What's in here? That's with the bindings, I think. We're starting to get the bindings thing now. We've got quite an advanced binding going on, which is slightly outside of the tutorial, which was nice. But, you know, want to do advanced things, I guess. Okay, so, yo, that's cool. Cool. Right, play specific custom UI. Setting new values only for certain players. Ooh, okay. Some bindings set either only player 1 and player 2 get the new values, and a UI re-render F1 stays unaffected. That's cool. Cool. Oh right, they're not local by default. Interesting. Cool. Setting player value and start. Okay, it's fine thing. Welcome. I play a specific example. Yeah, and I want to see. Oh, animations for custom UI. That's cool. Animated binding. The centerpiece of building now at UI is the binding class. Right. Go. Yeah, you got animations there as well. This is very much like Flutter. It reminds me very, very much of Flutter. Hi Matthew, how you doing? Sorry mate, I'm a little bit... Got a few screens in front of me and I'm looking at the documentation on the right one, but you're on the left one. How are you doing anyway? You okay? You should just check I'm not ignoring your name on Twitch as well. Configuring an animation. You'll notice without any additional configuration, the animation is using some of the default duration. Easing, we can customize the behavior of the animation by passing config object, second parameter, the animation.timing function. Okay. Custom UI dynamic list was that. Oh. Component list and modify UI elements during runtime. Without dynamic list feature, render a list of 10 items would require creating a component for 1 item and manually duplicating it 9 times. That's something they want. That is something I want. So what have we got? Export type dynamic list props. That's fine. Scratch the eye. Yeah, because if I'm going to render a list of users as they come and go, that's going to be needy. Oh, yeah. Dynamic list. Data input. So what's the data input? Is that a Or it's just going to be a bit of reading, mind. Jesus. It's this is the sort of thing which if you read it, you're good at working. I'm sure it's simple, but if you haven't, this is going to be... Okay. Oh, data input is just a binding consisting of a blank array. That's fine. So that has to be updated with new users, which actually we can do. We can do, can't we? Oh, it's gonna be good fun. What have you been up to today, Matthew? I've sort of very brazenly said I'm gonna rewrite everything in the White Lotus as TypeScript, which I think I'm up to it, but it's not. It's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be a challenge. There's a, but it's a challenge that I need to light a fire underneath my bum and just get on with it, because the more I can crack to, the more I can, embed it in. I've got references then, and if people need help with that, I can help them too. Nothing much. Not been to work or anything. No. Shops. Thank you. Okay, I've got 2 minutes left of the stream, guys. And I'll be in the Lotus at 10 tonight, but I will be around at 9. There's a special event happening at 9 UK time, and I'll be there. Can't say what it is, unfortunately, but yeah, I'll be on at 9, and then around properly the latest at 10, Lotus at 10 then. Yeah, I've got a lot of work to do. I think at this point I can quite happily confirm the Lotus is not going live this weekend. It's Thursday. I'm now gonna go thin at time. Got too much to do, and I've had a rough few days as well, guys. I've effectively lost a few days. Don't want to go into it, but yeah. Sometimes life just checks a ball and a poop at you, right? It's all good. Busy cooking stuff. Hey, that's good. Oh yes, exactly. What you been cooking? Anything exciting? I do love cooking. I can watch cookery shows on YouTube all day. I was watching some Mark Wing's YouTube shows. They're the best sandwich in Italy. He was walking around Florence in Italy, like eating this most amazing sandwich. It looked so cool. Even the bread looked exciting. And bread is not exciting. Flipping back, bread looked exciting. I don't know what it was. You boring duck. Hang on a sec. Boring. Is that A, intentional? Or... I'm sorry. See, if you say boring as in like not interesting, or boring as in like digging, or it's a kind of duck, that I'm just ignorant to. A broody duck, no, a boring duck. A broody duck is a duck that's sitting on eggs and attempting to hatch them. Oh, accident. I got you. Okay. I don't really eat that much duck. I have crispy duck with pancakes once in a while, but that's not a thing that I easily eat very often. And so I'm more of a chicken and steak kind of person. Right. Ooh, just before you see, guys, I'm actually falling asleep, so I am going to end the stream and go and talk to Jenny and Tom and Witch and Lulu. And see what they're up to, but I just wanted to get a stream out today, just so we could do some TypeScript together. I'll be working up to more. The more I do this, guys, the better I'm gonna get at TypeScript, and I'll be able to sort of hold my own and be able to just rattle through this. I'm getting better. I'm still probably one of the few people who's actually doing TypeScript in Horizon World, so I just gotta keep reminding myself of that every time I start to feel a bit down. I know most people have looked at it and they've gone like, just run away. And then there are people who are like top of their game, and we're talking like, the real sort of celebrities on Horizon Worlds. I know like Video or Lakes is really absolutely bossing that game. He's doing a lot of great streams. If you're not following Video, by the way, do so. You're probably not going to learn much TypeScript from me. You're gonna see a lot of cumbersome crap. as I go through it and learn it myself. But Lakes is very, very good at this stuff. I actually learned scripting primarily from Lakes' video tutorials 2 years ago, and that was in Code Blocks. So, you know, that one is one to watch if you need any really good content. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you very much. I'm gonna... It's been wonderful. I'm gonna end the stream. And I'll see you all around and about later, I'm sure. I'm being quite quiet because I've just got too much building to do, and like I said, bit of a crappy week this week, but we're coming out of it. So see you later. So